Metals and mining companies face complex challenges ahead. While global decarbonization initiatives and a shift to renewable energy underpin increased demand for metals, mining operations also face increasing competition and energy costs, lower grades in known reserves, aggressive 2050 net zero targets, and perhaps the biggest challenge of all, the growing cost of equipment maintenance. From haul trucks and crushing mills to processing plants and conveyors, asset downtime can put worker safety, the environment, profitability, and productivity at risk, and lead to costly missed schedules and production targets, plant shutdowns, or increased energy consumption and waste generation. Maintenance teams need a solution that's more efficient, insightful, and automated than conventional preventative and predictive maintenance practices. AspenTech's prescriptive maintenance solution uses machine learning agents that monitor equipment in real time, empowering mine management to identify problematic performance trends well in advance of a failure, and prescribes adjustments to operations or maintenance schedules to prevent those failures from occurring in the first place. As a result, mines experience fewer safety incidents, lower maintenance costs, increased equipment productivity, more sustainable operations, more predictable schedules, and less capital-intensive approaches to warehousing spares.
By implementing the AspenTech prescriptive maintenance solution at our Mungari site, we've seen improvements in productivity and reliability. And the site is safer as we're able to identify and validate the alerts, which enables the site maintenance teams to reduce the number of unplanned events, which is a success for the business.
AspenTech's AI-powered technology can be rapidly configured, deployed, and scaled, with typical ROIs measured in months. Transform your mining operations with AspenTech's prescriptive maintenance solution, and put 40 years of innovation, leadership, and expertise to work for you.